Welcome to our first cocktail night. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make two classic Italian cocktails. The first one will be the well-known Negroni, and you're going to need some Campari, gin, and red vermouth to do that. And then I'm going to show you a lesser known Italian cocktail called the Garibaldi that also uses the Campari. So let's begin with the Negroni. So grab your glass and some ice. I like to use these large ice cubes as they melt more slowly and they allow you to enjoy the flavor of the drink without it becoming watered down. And then you're going to add 1 ounce of Campari, 1 ounce of gin, and 1 ounce of your red vermouth. And then you're going to top it off with an orange twist. Twisting the rind of the orange releases the oils, which adds flavor to your beverage. And then you're going to give it a stir. And there you have your Negroni. All right, now let's make the Garibaldi. So you're going to start with your ice again, and then you're going to add 1.5 ounces of Campari this time. And then you're going to add 3 ounces of freshly squeezed orange juice. And you can garnish that with an orange wedge. And give it a little stir. And then you had two classic Italian cocktails that pair great with sourdough bread. Cheers!